Well, how you doing? It's good to finally meet you.
You too. Thank you. I started doing research and I found you, and that's why I'm investing in you. Because, you know, to be the best, you got to be with the best. I need to go to another level, and I need to surround myself with the people who are at this level. You don't have to throw your weight around. Just do what you need to do and train. People want to see you train. They want to see who you are. You know, I can't wait to finish the modules and stuff. By the way, I'm really like, I'm only on 2, but I'm really liking it.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that.
I know this sounds like a crazy question, probably not, but all these opportunities have been coming to me. But where do I start looking? Like, where do I go?
Walk through all the doors. Yeah, when you pay for these courses, use them as networking opportunities. Make sure you make a connection with everyone in the course, serve everybody there, and perform at a high level, you know, which you're going to do naturally.
I took a lot of your advice and it worked. And it made me fall in love even more with doing the job.
Good.
That's like the best part of it. And it opened my eyes to things I wasn't seeing before, which was great, because I would never have known that unless somebody would have pointed that out like you did. I also took your advice on just jumping on opportunity or anything. And I have to be honest, it's absolutely amazing the people I'm meeting.
Yeah. Beautiful.
I signed your survey for like some exclusive class. I mean, I see the results of what you stay and from the classes or from your modules and stuff.
Awesome.
And speak to you. I posted on my story on Instagram your program, your training day.
Yeah.
I got a lot of people who like DM'd me. They're like, man, I just don't want to invest in it, and is it really worth it? And I'm like, yeah. You got to spend money to make money, and this is worth it. If you want to do it right, do it right. Just be who you are and do the things that you do, you know. And like you said, invest. Yeah, I was just talking to a networking that I met, and he took me out to the range yesterday. He was giving me the compliments of the tools I've taken to you. He said he hasn't seen in a long time the professionalism that he's seen with what I'm bringing to the table. He's like, I don't know where you're getting your training from and where you're learning this, but whatever you're doing it the right way. And people, he straight up said, he's like, I'm having a hard time finding people who are just as professional as you are. And they don't realize in the EP world right now, we are going to be a need. And why, he said, I don't understand why I don't see more people taking classes and getting certified right now, because EP is a little slow on some things. And why are you not taking advantage of training and getting that? Because principals right now, and he's like, I know this because I own a company, principals are now wanting to know your background. He's like, you're doing it right. He's like, you actually thought it through and started doing it right. Well, I thought it through because of listening to your podcast and listening to your training day. Your training day video is legit. It's like, I don't want to hear excuses. You can find the time and the money to go buy this, but why can't you find the time to invest in you? And then you say something about, do you want to be a specialist or do you want to be a generalist? You know, that's exactly it. I want to be a specialist. Driving. Oh, I still want to go to that driving thing.
Oh, it would be great to do.
I know, I'm so jealous, but I'm going to get it at the SIG Academy, okay? I've been taking a lot of your advice to heart. I really have, and it's been showing. I mean, my Instagram's been showing it, and meeting the people and training and learning the field. Because if you don't learn the field, you're just going to keep repeating yourself over and over again and getting frustrated and look at that person and go, why is it that person's there and I can't be there? I just wanted to say thank you. I know that you're very busy. I just wanted to catch up with you and tell you, hey, I'm freaking crushing out their training. I love the fact that you're doing competition. Awesome. I wish I could do competition. I just don't know where to start with that.
Once you get on the path, you don't feel right unless you're sharpening your edge. Progress equals happiness. So you sit there and you're like, I gotta keep moving. And then when you start investing in yourself, other people and other relationships start investing in you. One hand washes the other. It's like, oh, now people are seeing, okay, you're a serious professional. You're out here. You're investing in yourself. I can invest in you. I'll put my name on you and put you in front of a client or put you on a team, or, you know, it's like, it's a whole other pedigree. There's levels to this stuff. It's a whole other pedigree.